Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the issue where Wi-Fi isn't showing on Windows 11. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Check if the Wi-Fi option is disabled. First, look at your taskbar. If you don't see the Wi-Fi icon, click on the network icon or press Windows and A to open the quick settings panel. Here, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If it's grayed out, click it once to enable it. Sometimes this alone solves the problem. If the Wi-Fi toggle itself is missing, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Restart the network services. Press Windows and R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find these three services: WLAN Autoconfig, Network Connections, and Network List Service. Make sure all three are running. If any of them show stopped, right-click and choose Start. If they're already running, right-click and choose Restart. This refreshes the background services that control your wireless adapter. It might take a few seconds, so hang tight. Step 3. Enable Wi-Fi adapter in Settings. Now open Settings by pressing Windows and I. Go to Network and Internet. Then open Advanced Network Settings. Here you'll see a list of your network adapters. If your Wi-Fi adapter shows a Disable button, that means it's already active. Click Disable, wait a few seconds for it to turn off, and then click Enable again. This quick reset helps refresh the adapter and often fixes Wi-Fi not showing. Sometimes, after disabling the adapter, you might notice that these options disappear for a moment. Don't worry, that's normal. Just close the Settings app completely, reopen it, and the Wi-Fi adapter will appear again. Once it's back, click Enable to turn it on. Step 4. Update or reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. Press Windows and X and choose Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and look for your Wi-Fi device. It may have Wireless, Intel, or Realtek in its name. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for Drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, you can also choose Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver on reboot. Give it a few seconds. Drivers take a moment to reload. Step 5. Run the Network Troubleshooter. Open Settings again. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and click Run next to Network and Internet. Let Windows scan and fix any internal issues. This process can take up to a minute, so be patient. If the problem was with system configuration, this usually detects and resolves it. Step 6. Reset network settings, only if nothing else worked. As a last resort, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and finally Network Reset. Click Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and return settings to default. Your PC will restart, and once it boots up, Wi-Fi should reappear. Just reconnect to your home network afterward. And that's it. By following these steps, your missing Wi-Fi option on Windows 11 should now be fixed and working again.